पीपल कैसे हैं आप लोग। आई वेलकम यू ऑल टू सोल स्टेयर राव। सो हमने एयर और वाटर एलिमेंट्स की रीडिंग जो है अपलोड कर दी है। प्लीज़ हैव अ लुक। आई थिंक आप लोगों ने देखा नहीं है, मे बी आप लोगों ने नोटिफिकेशन बेल क्लिक नहीं किया है, सो यू गाइस हैवंट बीन आइडेंटिफाइड बिकॉज इट्स अ स्मॉल कम्युनिटी। यस, वी आर ग्रोइंग। सो जो लोग देख रहे हैं उनका बहुत बहुत आभार। थैंक यू सो मच। एंड माई न्यू जॉइनर्स, आई वेलकम यू ऑन बोर्ड। माई ओल्ड जॉइनर्स, आई लव यू टू बिट्स। मेरी सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, काइंडली हैव लुक। सो ये एक लव रीडिंग है जिसके अंदर हम आपकी एनर्जीज और आपके पार्टनर की एनर्जीज बेसिकली विल टैप इन। क्रॉस वॉचर्स, प्लीज़ यूज़ योर इनर कैंपस वाइल वॉचिंग इट। हम मोनोलॉजी डेक से आपका एक ऑरेकल पुल करेंगे। उसके बाद हम आई एम यूजिंग अनदर डेक। मैं लाइट से डेक से आपका टेरो पुल करूँगी और विजडम ऑरेकल हम उससे पहले पुल करेंगे। एंड यू सी व्हाट इज़ लव ब्रिंगिंग इन फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ द जून। देख सकते हैं करंट एनर्जीज की तरह देख सकते हैं। जब भी टाइटल आपको अट्रैक्ट करता है इस रीडिंग में आपके लिए ज़रूर कुछ है। सो मेरे फायर साइंस, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, what do you need to see? How are you feeling? What action you need to take? What's holding it back? Let's see. Blueberry Michael, some of the messages I need to see. Show me the numerology oracle that we need to see for the Aries, for the Leos, for the Sagittarius. आप लोग बहुत aggressive, lusty, interesting kind of sign हो, passionate हो. You're never apologetic for things, but yeah, you have the drive to say sorry or put your foot down when you know that you're wrong, and you're born with greatness, guys, honestly. So अपना sun moon rising जरूर देखेगा कि exactly what are the messages you need to see. So they're asking me to stop. अगर like और subscribe नहीं किया है चैनल को तो कर दीजिए, that would be nice. Blueberry Michael, show me the messages for the highest good. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius के लिए what are the messages they need to see for the rest of June? Current energies, love messages. Someone likes blue color a lot in you. I don't know. आप लोगों में से किसी को blue color बहुत पसंद है. That is what they're showing. They're showing me blue color, and they think shit happens. Could be in a good way also. Shit happens can be in good way as well. Let's see. So they've given me 3 cards, but I'm picking one which is upright. Nothing is yet set in stone. So basically it's a mutable moon. Okay. So what we really sense out with this card is that I'll show you the card. Yeah. So this is like, it's about flexibility. I think the message out there for some of you is that आप या तो stubborn हैं या आप stubborn हो रहे हैं in regard to love. So you need to be a little flexible. और जो कुछ भी हुआ है, maybe something has happened between you guys. I don't know. So जो कुछ भी हुआ है, so that can change. So it's like more like the magician energy. Maybe you're dealing with a air sign. Do check the air reading. That would really help. ये मैं डिटेल में explain करूँगी अभी, बट पहले हम विजडम ऑरेकल आपका निकालते हैं। आप कुछ अबैंडन नहीं करेंगे, या आपको वो फीलिंग अगर आ रहा है कि किसी ने आपको क्रॉस रोड पर छोड़ दिया है या बीच में छोड़ दिया है, तो दैट इज़ नॉट द केस, बिकॉज दे आर गोइंग टू कम बैक. दैट इज़ व्हाट दे आर शोइंग मी, दैट दे आर गोइंग टू कम बैक एंड यू वुड नो, राइट. सो कार्डिनल, फिक्स, म्यूटेबल, जो भी मोडालिटी है, अकॉर्डिंगली सन मून राइजिंग देखिए, यू विल गेट टू नो एग्जैक्टली कि ये किस तरह से रेजोनेट कर रहा है, राइट. सो माइकल, शो मी द मैसेज ब्लूबेरी. व्हाट डू आई नीड टू सी? एक्सपेंसिव. समबडी लव्स एक्सपेंसिव गिफ्ट्स. इज दैट यू? सो हम जेंडर्स में टैप इन नहीं करते, एनर्जीज में टैप इन करते हैं, राइट. सो मैस्कुलिन, फेमिनिन एनर्जी, यू गाइस लव एक्सपेंसिव स्टफ, राइट. They want me to stop. Someone is eating. They show me that red pasta. Someone is like really relishing it. I don't know. Show me the messages, Michael Blueberry, that I need to see. Show me the wisdom oracle. All that glitters is in the bottom. Let's see what comes out for you guys. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius के लिए nothing is yet set in stone. What is it? It seems like a TikTok. I don't know. Let's see what comes out. Guys, do like and subscribe. Grow the channel. You know, it's been, I see about 9,000 views, okay, but I see very less subscription. So it's good to give, right? देने वाला हाथ बड़ा होता है. प्लीज क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं? लेट्स डू दैट फॉर ईच अदर, राइट? A change in the wind. Do you think I can make this up? No. So with all, nothing is yet set in stone, and they gave me another one, but I'm not taking it. Although it says blessed, that you are blessed, you are blessed. I'll explain that to you a little, but I'm going to take one. So as I said, maybe you're dealing with an air sign. Maybe it's about you thinking that, you know, they don't have time for you or something like that. So nothing is yet set in stone and a change in the wind. So I'm going to explain this to you. Let me just go with the moon oracle first. You kindly have a look closely. So this basically talks about something where there was no agreement. कहीं पर कोई agreement नहीं हुआ, you know, कोई possibly there were promises made जो fulfill नहीं किए गए, या जो expectations थी वो meet नहीं की गई, right? And could be, you know, essentially it's love, but could be in regard to some agreement that you wanted to come to, work wise also. But especially in love, it is that, you know, you can change it. As I said, you know, it has a lot of magician energy, so you can change it to your drive. You'll have to let go of your stubbornness. जो faith है ना, that will take it forward. That's what the idea is. It अगर आप उसको लेकर जाते हैं आगे, तभी you'll be able to go forward. अब एक hunter है, वो क्या करता है? वो if you know he is going out to hunt, he doesn't know whether he'll be successful. उसको एक अच्छा हंट मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा, बट उसका फेथ, उसका डिटर्मिनेशन होता है, दैट मेक्स इट हैपन. सो जो भी आपको अल्टरकेशंस करनी है, जो भी आपको चेंजेस लेकर आने हैं अपने रिश्ते में, वो डेफिनेटली आप लेकर आइए, सो दैट यू कैन सी द चेंज गो एंड कम अराउंड, राइट? अदरवाइज ऑब्वियसली जो ऑब्स्टिकल है वो बढ़ जाएगा, एंड आई थिंक यू विल नॉट लाइक टू डू दैट, राइट? And there's a metaphor also, ना, that nothing is set in stone. ये तो एक metaphor भी है, that we all know. So with the Moonology oracle, that's what they're suggesting, that certain changes need to be made in the nutshell. Long story short, you have to bring about certain changes in your relationship. वो क्या है, किस तरह, वो let's see how the tarot is advising us. वो हम देखेंगे. उसके साथ साथ we have a change in the wind. If you see this carefully, there's a horse. And you know, there is this little tiny castle kind of thing up, you know, with the moon on it. So there are certain things that you still don't know, आप नहीं जानते हैं, right? And this is black and white. So this is also about your energies which are not balanced. Maybe spirit wise you're not balanced, heart wise you're not balanced, fire signs. So make sure that you let go of your stubbornness, you let go of your energies that are not serving, बिकॉज दैट इज़ हाउ यूल बी ब्रिंगिंग अबाउट द चेंज. वो लाना बहुत ज़रूरी है, और उसको इनिशिएट करना, उसके लिए प्रिपेयर करना, वो आपके हाथ में. फर्म ग्राउंड पर अगर आप हैं, लाइक यू नो, यू सी दिस इज़ ऑन अ फर्म ग्राउंड, दैट इज़ द रीज़न इट विल बी मूविंग फॉरवर्ड. सो वो फर्म ग्राउंड पर रहना, नोइंग किस डायरेक्शन में जाना है, वो बहुत ज़रूरी है. नहीं तो यू विल बी लाइक यू नो लर्किंग, आप लटकते रहेंगे. सो दैट इज़ व्हाट दे आर एडवाइजिंग. The spirits are saying that we are with you. We will blow the wind in your direction. आपकी डायरेक्शन में हम ब्लो करेंगे, so that you know the leaves can come towards you. So वो आपको देखना है कि आप वो कैसे लेकर आएंगे. और ह्यूमन नेचर है दैट यू नो वी yearn फॉर लाइक सर्टेनिटी. हमें श्योरिटी चाहिए होती है, हम जानना चाहते हैं कि what is going to happen, you know, we really want to know. And that is where, you know, I think we all make that mistake, because ये जो मून है इसके ऊपर दैट इज सिम्बॉलिक ऑफ द अननोन, राइट? और वो जो अननोन है वो ज़रूरी है, बिकॉज अगर आपको सब कुछ ही पता चल जाएगा, सो मिस्ट्री क्या रहेगी? थोड़ा बहुत चीज़ें अगर कवर्ड भी हैं, सो देर ऑलवेज नाइस. क्यूरियोसिटी रहनी चाहिए, राइट? क्यूरियोसिटी नीड्स टू बी देयर, एंड दैट वंडरमेंट ऑफ नोइंग दैट यू नो थिंग्स कैन टर्न, प्रोवाइडेड यू नो वी गिव इट टाइम, प्रोवाइडेड हम एक दूसरे को समय देते हैं, प्रोवाइडेड हम एक दूसरे के लिए वो एडजस्टमेंट्स करते हैं. अगर एक गुस्सा है तो दूसरा मना लेता है, या अगर एक नहीं समझ रहा है तो दूसरा अंडरस्टैंड कर लेता है. दैट्स वेयर द मैजिक लाइज. सो दैट्स व्हाट दे आर सजेस्टिंग, दैट यू नो देयर इज़ अ चेंज कमिंग इन, एंड इट कैन कम इन योर वे. very strongly, because कुछ भी सेट नहीं है, जो कुछ भी अभी हुआ है या हो रहा है, या मे बी विद सम, मे बी दिस विल नॉट रेजोनेट विद एवरीबडी, बट जिनके साथ रेजोनेट कर रहा है, हो सकता है ये अभी हो रहा हो आपके साथ, ये बीत रहा हो आपके साथ. सो दे जस्ट से गेट इन सिंक, डोंट गेट थ्रेटन बाय, डरिए मत इससे, और अपसेट मत होइए, और डोंट गो डाउन, बिकॉज रफ सीज जो है ना वो ज़्यादा देर लास्ट नहीं करती है. स्टॉर्म आता है और फिर निकल जाता है. जस्ट हैव कंट्रोल ओवर योर हार्ट. नो दैट यू नो जो भी अनएक्सपेक्टेड आने वाला है आपकी लाइफ में वो पॉजिटिव ही होगा, राइट. सो whoever you're thinking about and watching the reading for, the idea is very simple, that if you have to make certain changes, please do. Okay. और जब भी when I'm shuffling the cards, और जब वो easily shuffle नहीं हो रहे होते हैं, तो that shows that someone is not ready yet. So take your time. It's not like you have to push it, right? It's not necessary that you have to run through it. कंट्रोल के साथ चलिए, लेकिन नो दैट यू हैव टू गो थ्रू, वो बहुत ज़रूरी है. ओके. सडनली माई हार्ट गोज हैवी. इज समवन रनिंग ऑन द लाइक ट्रेडमिल और राइडिंग अ बाइसिकल? आई डोंट नो. कोई ईयर प्लग्स लगा के रीडिंग सुन रहा है शायद, मे बी. थैंक यू टू द वन दोज हु आर लिसनिंग एंड रेजोनेटिंग. They're saying wait. They're showing me wait. Michael Blueberry, show me the messages for Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So you basically ruled by the sun, right? So अपना sun, moon, rising देखिए to get the clear picture, right? And you'll know. They're telling me 3 more shuffles. Michael Blueberry. दिखाइए, what do we need to see? What do we need to see? Show me the message I need to see for the Aries, for my Leos, for my Sagittarius. We've just crossed a full moon in Sagittarius with a lunar eclipse, right? With the moon here, chain in the wind. Balance is the key, my friend. Keep in mind, okay? So when someone says that, I need time, give that person time. It's absolutely okay. Okay? So this is what they're showing. Let's go forward. 4 of Swords. Someone is restless, someone is saying their prayers, someone is, going around thinking that, and it's definitely the matters of the heart that's keeping them up, and they're not easy. आप हैं ये, मेरे एरीज, मेरे लिए, मेरे साजिटेरियस, जिनके बारे में सोच रहे हैं. अगर आपने उनसे कम्युनिकेट नहीं किया है फॉर वट एवर रीज़न, इंट्रोस्पेक्ट लिटिल, सी कहीं आपकी भी गलती रही होगी. और अगर आप क्रॉस वॉच रहे हैं तो प्लीज़ डू यूज योर इनर कंपास and try and communicate. Life is too precious. Besides, we're in the COVID times. Why let go? अगर आपको पता है ये रिश्ता अच्छा है और it's bringing you that kind of love and gives you vibrancy, और आपको अच्छा लगता है, mutually आप दोनों happy रहते हैं usually, so then I think you should go forward for it. What more for Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Four of Swords? I see love. I so see love, but I see blocks. Someone's heart chakra is so blocked. Do the meditation, guys. Very important. And see cards, they're not popping out. That means, we are stubborn. It has to come out. That's what this is showing me. Now see, this is the Hierophant, right? So maybe you're dealing with a Taurus, right? They're showing it very carefully that this is a very strong, prosperous, healthy connection. And you know it, and you can trust this one. जो भी आपका subject है, just whoever you're thinking about, you can trust that person. That is why you're so restless, right? And someone loves pink here. Someone loves to wear capris. I don't know. The idea is that you have to come around because the energies are such. You will come around. Simple. You're definitely dealing with an air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Do watch the air reading, fire signs, okay? And then they show us the Ace of Pentacles, that you just need to go forward and tell them. that I really think that we need to talk. If you haven't spoken to the person, to nourish anything, any relationship, see how the roots are falling. You have to water it well, you have to take care of it well. उसने दोनों हाथों से पकड़ा है. So you need to nourish it well, you have to keep it going. Maybe something was going amiss, so you have to start again. Don't just give up. Okay, don't just give up on this relationship. For some people, maybe you feel that no, it's not working out, then though the person doesn't care for me, so why bother? But here they are showing that the person really cares for you. The person really wants to start and says that I trust you with the Hierophant, and it's not set in stone, and I see a change coming, and I'm ready to bring about that change, because मैं बहुत upset हूँ since I'm not in communication with you, and I'm in a lot of emotion with the King of Cups at the bottom of the deck. So let's see what more we need to see with the Ace of Pentacles. What forward will be doing for Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with love interest? चन्ना मेरे आ चन्ना मेरे आ चन्ना मेरे आ बिलिया. So this is the song that they gave me. Okay, so this is how the spirits communicate. So maybe there's something in this message, in this song for you. There's a message for you. Too many. Can't have. There are 4 cards. Even if you think that things are not going planned the way you had thought, it's okay, because that's the advice, that it's not set in stone. Be adaptable so that you can experience more love. You can bring in that abundance. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. Relax. Know that you know. Okay, but don't be so fixed. As I said, maybe you're dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or maybe this is the energy the other person is. It could be an earth sign, definitely an air sign. Ideally, the suggestive measure is that with the 2 of Pentacles at the bottom, and the idea is that this is for me the waiting card, that the person is waiting, that you're asking about or watching the reading for. The person is waiting. Why don't you reach out? Use your inner compass and reach out. No. And what happens if they reach out, Michael? Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. What happens if they reach out? Oh, there are too many. 5. They're giving me 5. So the change is about to come. Maybe there's a possibility that you receive an email or a text or a message through somebody, or you connect with the person again. Like you're sitting one fine day and you receive it. And they're saying that you're going to receive it, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. You are going to receive it. Because the one you are asking about really likes you, really loves you, I think, trusts you, and knows that, this is this is giving the right kind of vibe. उनको सही लग रहा है. One last card लगे. Okay, so we have the King of Wands. Someone who knows his game, someone who knows how to, give you all that you want, baby. So this could be your energy, that's how they see you, that you know it all, you are in that zone. But the idea is that please see to it that you are also doing the introspection, you're also doing certain things. वो चेंजेस जो ज़रूरी है लाना एक रिश्ते में, अगर वो आपकी तरफ से आने वाले एरीज में सैजिटेरियस, तो प्लीज़ उनको लेकर आइए. दैट इज़ वेयर यू विल हैव द राइचियस एनर्जी with the King of Swords here at the bottom. So ensure that you're doing all that is right so that आपको वो pursue करें in the right energy. If I show you, see this Ace of Pentacles, have a look clearly, and this pentacle in the hand of the Queen is the same. It's just about time that who reaches out first. Do that. The fire is burning at both the sides. You both are waiting for each other and you're controlling yourself, but the weight is out. The weight is definitely out, my fire signs, Aries, Sagittarius. So maybe you're very sought after, maybe you've got options, maybe you know that it will present itself, वो आएंगे ही आएंगे, either which way. But the idea is that you'll have to start afresh and you'll have to give it a go. वो आपको करना पड़ेगा, because that is how you'll be able to take this relationship forward in a good direction. And if there are mood swings, yeah, they're temporary. Just let them be. Just like the leaves, they fall down, the new ones come up. So work on yourself also, or if the other person you're talking about, the other person needs to know कि उनकी कमियां कहाँ हैं, उनको कहाँ काम करने की ज़रूरत है. So it's very simple. It's an amazing reading. That strong, positive, trustworthy relationship, the person you're asking about really values you, wants you, hot, desirable, passionate, is very upset, missing you, thinking about you, and knows, as I said, it's an air energy, definitely. So do watch the air reading. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, definitely you're dealing with. And you know that this is the gateway to the light. That is the abundant relationship. And even better. So just trust, people. Just trust and go ahead with the same. I hope this resonates. And do like and do subscribe to the channel. And I shall see you the next time. Until eternity, stay home, stay safe. Dhyan rakhiye. Bye for now.